Respect isn't something you ask for, it's something you attract. Today, we'll show you habits that make anyone take you seriously. Why respect matters. When people respect you, conversations change, opportunities open, and you gain quiet power. Here are practical habits that transform how people see you. Personal presence. Your energy enters the room before you speak. Stand tall, move calm, and own your space. Eye contact. Maintain steady, relax eye contact. Too little seems weak, too much seems aggressive. Calm voice. A calm, slow voice commands more respect than shouting or talking fast. Body language. Uncross your arms, keep your shoulders relaxed. Confident posture changes everything. Boundaries and self-respect. Boundaries. If you don't set boundaries, people won't know where to stop. Saying no. No is a complete sentence. Use it without explaining yourself too much. Respecting yourself first. People treat you based on how you treat yourself. Never tolerate disrespect. Emotional control. Explosive reactions kill respect. Stay composed even when provoked. Listening power. Listening more than you speak makes people feel valued, and they respect you more. Choose words carefully. Don't talk just to fill silence. Speak with intention. Limited access. Don't let everyone have access to your emotions, plans, or struggles. Speak when it matters. When you speak rarely but wisely, people pay attention. Consistency and integrity. Keep your word. Promises mean nothing if you break them. Consistency builds trust. Reliability. Become the person people can depend on. Reliability creates respect. Honesty without harshness. Speak truth, but with balance. You can be honest without being rude. Don't gossip. Gossip makes you look small. Respect follows those who stay above drama. Self-improvement. Daily growth. People admire those who try to improve themselves every day. Skills and knowledge. Learn something new. People listen more when you know what you're talking about. Physical appearance. You don't need expensive clothes. Just stay neat, clean, and intentional. Discipline. Respect comes naturally to disciplined people, those who stay consistent. Social dynamics. Silence is power. Silence confuses manipulators and impresses intelligent people. Don't chase people. Respect dies when you chase approval. Be okay with losing people. Be hard to manipulate. People respect those who can't be emotionally controlled. Respect others. Treat people with dignity. Respect attracts respect. Dealing with disrespect. Address it calmly. When someone crosses a line, correct it immediately but calmly. Stand firm. You don't need to be rude. Just be firm and clear. Walk away. Sometimes the strongest response is leaving the space. Don't over-explain. Over-explaining makes you look guilty. Be simple and direct. Building long-term respect. Add value. People respect those who uplift others and provide solutions. Protect your time. Your time is precious. Use it wisely. Stay humble. Humility mixed with strength is one of the most respected traits. Be patient. Respect doesn't grow overnight. It's built over time. Self-trust. When you trust yourself, people naturally feel the same. Character over image. Respect lasts longer when it comes from who you are, not what you pretend to be. Protect your peace. Guard your mental and emotional space. Peace makes you powerful. Walk in purpose. When you know where you're going, people automatically follow. Final motivation. Respect always starts from within. Fix the inside, and the outside will follow. Call to action. Start practicing these habits today, one by one. Closing. Thanks for watching. Keep growing, keep improving, and the world will adjust to you.